Hello everyone. High availability ensures that a system or application is always up and running, which minimizing downtime. It involves using backup components and redundant systems to avoid interruptions. When one part fails, then another take over, which keeping everything making smoothly. This is important for business because it keeps service accessible and reliable for us. By using high availability, companies can prevent data loss and maintain customer trust. And it can also help in managing unexpected issues effectively. So, overall, high availability is about making sure systems are robust and always available. Furthermore, ensuring continuous operations and customer satisfaction. This is Kamran Hussain. Now let's discuss about init.ohasd daemon. Oracle High Availability Service daemon is an essential for clusterware startup. It is responsible for initialize and monitor various cluster services required for Oracle RAC. It monitors critical components and automatically restart them if they fail. This guarantees high availability and minimize downtime, which is crucial for the business. Oracle High Availability Service daemon is started by the using of init.ohasd process. On Oracle Linux 6, startup managed clusterware initialization through the etc init oracle-ohasd config file. Because init tab for starting clustering services has been deprecated in Oracle Linux 6. In Oracle and Red Hat Linux 7 and 8, we use system to manage, start and stop services. Init.ohasd file for initializing the high availability services will be accessed on the path etc/init.d. As ohasd.bin is responsible to start up all other clusterware processes directly or indirectly. It needs to start up properly for rest of the stack to come up. If ohasd.bin is not come up, so on checking its status, it gives error like CRS 4639 could not contact high availability services will be reported. For checking the OS level processes, you can execute ps-e grep ohasd command in Linux prompt. It will show you two processes. First one init.ohasd with run for execute Oracle cluster initialization processes, and second one is ohasd.bin with reboot which for auto start all other process of clusterware under its management. Let's suppose you are getting some error while starting init.ohasd process, and if your system admin cannot be identify the reason why init.ohasd not starting, so we can start init.ohasd process in a background. Just move on a location where init.ohasd file exists and type nohub./init.ohasd space run and ampersand. It is a very short term workaround.